With Volume and Traffic Distribution AI feature, you can now automatically send traffic to the offers, landing pages, and paths that convert the most. We listened to your feedback and we evolved this feature so now you can optimize whole paths of your campaigns. Go ahead and edit or create a new campaign. In the Destination tab, you will find a main toggle over your paths. Here you can decide if you want to optimize all of your paths using the main toggle or activate the feature only for default paths or rule-based paths separately. You can optimize up to 25 paths in each set. Next to the main toggle, you will see how many sets of paths are being optimized. Each rule creates a new set of paths, while default paths are considered as one set. If something is wrong, for example, a set contains only one entity, you'll notice a warning sign next to it. Optimization will not work if there is only one entity in a set. Traffic Distribution AI can be used in various combinations. You can optimize traffic for paths, offers, and landers, or choose to optimize only specific parts of your campaign. For example, you can optimize your paths and choose only optimized offers inside those paths. Remember that AI for paths and AI for landers and offers is optimized separately and can be used individually. You can select a metric that should be used for calculations for each part of your campaign. You can choose ROI, earnings per visit, conversion rate data, or leave auto if you want to optimize weights according to the approach suggested by Volume. Just turn it on and Volume will automatically adjust the weights and send more traffic to the paths, offers, and landers that convert the most. It updates in real time and uses data from the last 24 hours to keep the automation relevant. So go ahead and turn on Traffic Distribution AI on your other flows and watch your ROI increase automatically.